Okay, this is my video for the assessment and the resource development of my topic.
So what is the rationale behind the type of resource and assessment that you created and chosen?
I suppose for the rationale, I wanted to make it applicable for my peers, as I feel that sometimes geological geometry, especially artworks, the maps aren't something we can relate to. So for my question, I picked a real life map. This is in Achill Island, so we can see the sea, even though it's quite faint. I made it faint so it would be easy for the students to communicate the constructions. For the question, I made the question about alpine coasters. So they're designing an alpine coaster to go on this mountain, the Slievemore Mountain in Achill Island. The question includes a car park, as that's where everyone going is going to park before they go to this alpine coaster. I tried to make it as realistic as possible by choosing a gradient complete that went from 50 to 25. The students then have to, for the construction, this would be what they have to do the cuts and the fills. So here would be the cuts, and then this is the fills. The finished solution would look like this. For my resource, I wanted to build on students' difficulties with the ratios, as ratio bases the is a key principle in artworks. Often students just hate ratios, as they might dislike maths and they see maths as a big topic and can't see that it can relate to DCG. It is also the first time we are asking students to instead solve through constructions like they usually use graphically. They have to use maths. So in this question, they would have to use ratios to find out the circle. So we know that it's fallen 15 meters. So if we wanted to find the size of the circle, we would have to multiply the height by the ratio. So the ratio in this case is 1.5. So 1.5 by 15 would give you 7.5. And that is the distances between these. Then if we go back to the resource here, the second resource I wanted them to do was to build on this and make their own. So I said on SolidWorks they could design a road of incline of their choice and make a cone and for an upwards cone for the cut, so it'd be an inverted cone in red, and a normal cone for the fill. By getting the students to make it themselves, they'll have a tangible experience that they can draw on. It would also help them understand the shape the slope makes for a fill and the shape the slope makes for the ratio. So that is my resource video.